How to make another account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to make another Instagram account in few simple steps. So first things first, open up your Instagram app and then go to the profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Then you'll need to scroll down and there you'll find add account. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, tap on create new account. So now you'll have to put in a username. So make sure that the username is unique. So it will give you various suggestions. So use the suggestion given by Instagram and then you can tap on next. And then you'll need to create a password. Now, after putting in your password, you'll just need to add new phone or email. So go ahead and tap on it. So you can choose whether you want to put in your phone or your email address. So whatever you put, you'll get a verification code. So once you receive the verification code, you'll have to enter it and then hit on next. And that's it. After that, you'll need to customize your account. This is how you make another account on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.